can you tell us how you, parang you became an internet sensation? Kasi I know you're Petra Halimuya, kasi the guys in the office talk about you. But can we tell the Peps first? Yung mga taga-Pep, kung paano naging sikat si Petra Halimuya.
Well, hindi ko talaga in-expect, like I said, na sikat or Petra or whatever. But I guess kasi, with my videos, parang may variety siya. It's not just tutorials, but I also dance, I also sing a little bit din. So I show you different types ko. Like I can do a ghost, video ko, yung naman drama. So parang pinapakita ko na kaya ko lahat. So I guess it is one of the positive things about my business. Kaya hindi nakakasawa, hindi nakakasawa. Kasi parang for a girl, hindi ako needed, parang something different na I'm still young, I'm 19 years old. I guess that's how I got.
Ikaw ang naunang concepto. You're the one conceptualizing.
Yes. Yung concept, script, one-liners, everything ako yun. It's a one-woman show.
How long do you do it? Parang gaano for one video?
It depends on the content of the video. Like, kunwari, mahaba yung marami akong sasabihin. It usually takes me 5 hours to get one particular shot kasi hindi ako nag-edit ng video. So parang memorize ko lahat ng will go na parang character.
Was it just internet talaga or you really planned na parang paano ba? Your route kasi internet eh. Pero did it parang happen na you went to TV pa, audition, hindi?
I've been through all that. Like, it's all an extra nakasi ko ako na kami. I really wanted to be in the industry. Kaso, ayaw ko eh. Parang kahit anong audition, ayaw. Parang hindi ko. So, parang, mauna talaga ako ever since. So, medyo lang ako, like, di ko kasi ako, like, wala lang, pinupulot ko sa yung parang hindi na yung parang everyone is
and then now you're under Viva.
Yes.
And ano na mga aabangan nila sa'yo? You have upcoming projects already?
Yeah, so more endorsement ako sa'yo.
Okay.
Viral video. So hopefully makasisi.
Okay.
And they want me to
oh, wow. Comedy talaga, everything. Your video, kasi ikaw lang yan, di ba? Do you plan later on na may guest ka? Sino? Oo. Sa mga artista, sino gusto mong i-guest?
Sino?
Sa mga stars dito, oo. Ay, really? Crush mo ba siya?
Very grabe yun.
Okay. Why not? Diba? Oh. Pero, pwede bang sample? Oo.
Hello guys, from Halimuya. We're here right now, the opening of Buddha. And I'm about to share their Paris. Get together videos from me from Christ.
Ito na lang last. Kasi I don't know, nakita na ba kayo ni Dr. Vicky Bello?
No, but I really want to see her. Kasi, kasi may isa akong video. Really tutorial. Yeah, it's so smile. So, I think ganyan. Sabi ko doon Vicky Bello sa bayan. Parang I think nakadating sa kanya yun.
Yes.
Parang sabi ko, gusto ko siyang it's not that I'm not well right now, but hindi naman yung parang yung bahay. Yun naman talaga yung magkamay. So, yun na, wala lang. Baka gusto niya akong sabihin,
Okay, huli na. Anong advice mo sa mga gustong maging internet sensation like you?
Yourself. yourself. Yeah, don't think about people's opinion, pag-affect mo sa negative comments, paano sa kaya, or I mean, I've heard it, like, lahat, wala akong sa first I'm here right now.
Teka lang, dalawa na lang. Si Sian crush mo.
Yes.
Like, pag nagkaroon ka ng project, gusto mo siya yung maging ka-partner.
Oh my God! Well, may kids na ngayon eh. Next time ako.
Ha?